Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 33. Embryology. Let's start. The study of animal development from the fertilized egg to the formation of all major organ systems is called A. Comparative anatomy, B. Embryology, C. Entomology, D. Molecular biology. Correct answer: embryology. Lysins are released from the dash and dissolve the gel coat of an egg during fertilization. A. Vitelline layer, B. Mitochondria, C. Acrosome, D. Microvilli. Correct answer: acrosome. All of the following are a part of membrane and cortical events associated with egg activation except one. Select the exception. A. Microvilli from the egg plasma membrane wrap around a sperm cell. B. A fertilization membrane forms. C. The mitotic spindle forms. D. The cortical layer thickens, and rotational and sliding movements of the outer egg cytoplasm begin. Correct answer: the mitotic spindle forms. Echinoderm embryology is commonly studied because A. They are the organisms most closely related to humans. B. They are a deuterostome like humans and are easily studied. C. Only their embryology can be easily studied in the laboratory. D. Their embryological changes are identical to humans. Correct answer: they are a deuterostome like humans and are easily studied. Forms the inner lining of the digestive cavity of an embryo. Ectoderm, B. Mesoderm, C. Endoderm, D. Blastoderm. Correct answer: endoderm. Forms muscle, blood, skeletal elements and other connective tissues. Ectoderm, B. Mesoderm, C. Endoderm, D. Blastoderm. Correct answer: mesoderm. A stage of echinoderm embryology consisting of a hollow ball of cells is called the A. Morula, B. Blastula, C. Gastrula, D. Archenteron. Correct answer: blastula. Invagination of cells in the vegetal half of the echinoderm embryo occurs during a process called A. Gastrulation, B. Neurulation, C. Morphogenesis, D. Pibili. Correct answer: gastrulation. All of the following are structures that characterize chordates except one. Select the exception. A. Dorsal tubular nervous system, B. Open circulatory system, C. notochord, D. pharyngeal slits or pouches. Correct answer: open circulatory system. Gastrulation in an amphibian embryo occurs as superficial cells begin to roll over the dorsal lip of the blastopore in a process called A. Pibili, B. Morphogenesis, C. Neurulation, D. Involution. Correct answer: involution. All of the following are formed during gastrulation in an amphibian embryo except one. Select the exception. A. Yolk plug, B. Archenteron, C. Blastopore, D. Blastocele. Correct answer: blastocele. In the amphibian embryo, the notochord and mesoderm form from ectoderm, B. Endoderm, C. Chordomesoderm, D. Hypoblast. Correct answer: chordomesoderm. Early cleavages in the zygote of a bird result in the formation of the A. blastoderm, B. Henson's node, C. amnion, D. chorion. Correct answer: blastoderm. An inward migration of epiblast cells of the bird embryo results in the formation of mesoderm. This migration occurs along a linear invagination called the A. dorsal lip of the blastopore, B. primitive streak, C. chordomesoderm, D. allantois. Correct answer: primitive streak. The extraembryonic membranes of amniotes include all of the following except one. Select the exception. Amnion, B. somite, C. chorion, D. allantois. Correct answer: somite.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.